Our world is full of talkers, but us, we're for movers and makers. While some are up all night waiting for inspiration, we're for those who are up early waiting for the day's shipment. We're for less words and more work, less adjectives and more verbs, less digressing, more progressing. We're for less musing and more fusing, forging, soldering, assembling. Less promises, more deliveries, less intentions and more inventions. We're for less chatter and more of what matters, less rest and more rise, less slow and more grow. We are an ERP solution designed for movers and makers, because the movers and makers of the world are the ones who move us forward.